Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic. How to send Avalanche, that's AVAX, from Kucoin to Exmo in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just switching exchanges, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need an active account on both Kucoin and Exmo, and some AVAX in your Kucoin wallet. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. It's 2025, after all, and hacks are no joke. Step 1. Log into your Kucoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Wallet, section. This is where you'll see all your cryptocurrencies, including your AVAX balance. Click on AVAX to select it. Next, find the Withdraw button. It's usually right there in the wallet interface. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Here's a key tip. Always select the correct network for AVAX. In 2025, the Avalanche C-chain is the most common, so make sure that's what you're using to avoid any transaction failures. Now, enter the recipient address from your Exmo account. To get this, log into Exmo, go to your wallet, and copy the AVAX deposit address. Paste it carefully into Kucoin. Typos here could mean losing your funds forever. Then, specify the amount you want to send, keeping in mind any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, which might be around 0.005 AVAX or whatever the current rate is. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're sure, click Withdraw and wait for the confirmation email or on-screen notification. Transactions on the Avalanche network are usually pretty fast, often under a minute, but it can vary based on network congestion. And just like that, your AVAX should appear in your Exmo wallet. Remember, crypto transfers aren't reversible, so always stay vigilant. If you run into any issues, check the exchange support pages or community forums. Thanks for watching. I hope this made things crystal clear. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.